Ever wondered what the secrets behind successful mango farming are? Picture this: lush mango orchards bearing the sweetest fruits. This isn't just a dream, it's achievable. Mango farming is both an art and a science, and today, we're pulling back the curtain. Whether you're a novice getting their green thumbs dirty for the first time, or a seasoned gardener looking to branch out, we've got nuggets of wisdom for you. So, are you ready to dive into the world of mango farming? Stay tuned as we unfold these secrets one by one. The first secret lies in the tree itself. Now let's delve into the heart of the matter. The characteristics of a healthy mango tree are pivotal to your farming success. The ideal age for a mango tree to start producing fruit is around 5 years old. It's like the old saying goes, patience truly is a virtue. In terms of height, a manageable range is between 10 to 20 feet. It's not just about the ease of picking the fruit, but also about ensuring sunlight reaches all parts of the tree. As for the type of mango tree, there are numerous varieties to choose from. However, selecting a variety that's resistant to pests and diseases like the Hayden or Tommy Atkins can save you a world of trouble down the line. So when choosing your mango tree, take into account its age, height, and resistance to pests and diseases. Remember, the right choice of tree is the first step towards successful mango farming. The second secret is all about the soil. Soil isn't just dirt, it's the lifeline of your mango tree. A high-quality soil is essential for a successful mango harvest. So what does the perfect soil for mango farming look like? Well, it's a delicate balance. Mango trees thrive in soil with a pH level of around 6 to 7. This slightly acidic environment helps the tree absorb essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium more effectively. The soil structure is just as important. A well-draining sandy loam prevents waterlogging and allows roots to breathe and grow. But what if your soil isn't up to par? Don't worry, you can still improve it. Compost, organic matter, and pH adjusters can work wonders to enhance its quality. Regular soil tests can guide your amendments and ensure that your mango tree gets what it needs. Remember, good soil equals good mangoes, so don't overlook this important aspect. The third secret is the climate. Mango trees flourish in a tropical climate where the sun shines generously. They thrive in temperatures between 20 and 30 degrees Celsius, a warmth that allows them to grow vigorously. But remember, it's not just about the heat. Mango trees also need plenty of rainfall, ideally between 75 and 250 centimeters annually. Yet they also need a dry period, particularly during the flowering stage, to prevent disease and ensure a healthy fruit yield. Sunlight is another crucial factor. Mango trees need at least 6 hours of sunlight each day for optimal growth. They are sun-loving plants after all. However, in the face of extreme weather conditions, measures should be taken to protect these tropical beauties. Whether it's installing protective netting for hail or providing shade during intense heat waves, safeguarding your mango trees is a must. With the right climate, mango trees can thrive and produce high-quality fruits. The final secret is proper care and maintenance. Now you might be wondering what exactly that involves. Well, it's a blend of regular watering, pruning, and fertilizing. Let's break it down. Watering is crucial. You see, mango trees thrive when they're evenly watered, so ensure that the soil is consistently moist but not waterlogged. Overwatering can lead to root rot, which is something you definitely want to avoid. Next up is pruning. This isn't just about aesthetics. Pruning helps to promote better air circulation and sunlight penetration, which in turn enhances the overall health and productivity of the tree. So don't shy away from giving your mango tree a good trim every now and then. Fertilizing is equally important. Use a balanced, slow-release fertilizer to provide your mango tree with the nutrients it needs to produce those juicy, mouth-watering fruits. But even with all these, pests and diseases can still wreak havoc. To protect your tree, consider using organic pesticides and fungicides. Regular inspections can also help you catch any issues early on. Last but not least, let's talk about the best time to harvest mangoes. You want to make sure they're at their best taste and quality, right? Well, generally that's when the skin gives a little squeeze and the fruit emits a sweet aroma. With proper care and maintenance, you can maximize your mango tree's productivity and longevity. So roll up your sleeves, let's get to work and reap the fruits, literally, of your labor.